Everyone. So this is Chandraraj again, and today I'll be talking about some different topic other than our routine. All about my school life. So, well, I have done my junior schooling like from class nursery to class UKG in Little Angel Public School, which is in Magdampur, and then I moved to Belaganj, and from that I studied from class 1 to class 6 in from 1 to class 5 in Brilliant Public High School, and then I took admission in Gyan Bharati Global School, and then I read class 6, and then again I changed my school to British English School. So I have a very little faded memories about Little Angel School, but then when I was transferred to Brilliant Public High School, that school has a lot of memories because, as you all know, that from class 1 to class 5, we make a lot of friends, we make teachers our friend, and so British English School, Brilliant Public High School has a lot of memories for me. All the badmashi I did there. We played kabaddi. We played a lot of games. Their teachers were actually the one feature of Brilliant Public High School was teachers were very furious. Means in that school, beating, scolding, beating my hand, beating my stick. Like teachers even jump onto your chest on their feet. So this was the quality of British Brilliant Public High School there. So it was a very fun and a different environment in Brilliant Public High School. But when I moved to Ganpati Global School, then from there I started to seek opportunities in my speaking competitions, and also I started to grow in my studies there. And when I took my admissions in British English School, a lot of things changed into my life. Like I started more into my studies. I like almost quit all the sports, and from there the connection of Chandan with sports was cut down there because of the routine. Actually, when I was in British English School, the routine was like just get up at 4 o'clock, be ready at 5 o'clock. The bus will be in 5:30 in your doorstep, and then you will reach your home after school almost 3 to 4 o'clock. And from there, 4 to 6, you have a coaching, and 6, and then I was literally tired because from morning to the evening 6 I was traveling, studying. So this was, and then I used to come home, rest, and again do my homework and sleep. So this was the basic routine for 7 to 8, 8 to 9, 9 to 10, 3 years. And because of this, sports was kind of removed from my daily schedule. But what I did actually in these 3 years, a lot of fun activities. Like I started to play chess. I started to improve my vocab. I started to improve my spoken English, and there I got to like a lot more competitions in English because when I was in class 7, there was a teacher called Shweta ma'am. So she was very impressed by my English, and she was the one teacher who literally encouraged, who like she encouraged a lot about me. And then you have great potentials, you can improve your accent, you can add on more vocabs to your life. And so she was the very first teacher who encouraged me to do good in English speaking. And then I started to participate in anchoring, speech competitions, debate. Even in the class, we had a bunch of benches who were we always do everything together. So we had, like, in class we started to talk in English, and this was the one thing which helped us to improve our English. And then the class of ninth, and so main again, the fun was removed from our life because from 8 to 9 and 9 to 10, that year was of COVID era. So we lacked more opportunities, we lacked fun events. But in class 10, I just used that year every bit of time. With my friends, I did a lot of trips. With my friends, I participated in all of the functions that were happening in the school. With my friends, I did all the notorious activities. Even we fought with other sections. We literally and the fun part was कि जिन लोगों से लड़ाई हुई थी सेक्शन ए और सेक्शन सी से, तो जब क्लास 10th के बोर्ड्स के टाइम आ गए थे, तो वही सेक्शन सी वाले बंदे दे जस्ट केम टू अस एंड दे सेड कि चंदन, कैन यू प्लीज टीच मी दिस. So this was the school bonding. Ki no matter how much you just fought, how much you were just had clashes, at the end we all were friends. So this was all about my school. Um, Actually, we made a lot of friends there, and today I just chose this topic because I talked to two of my best friends from my school. So it was really a great experience. We recalled all of the memories there, and then okay, now moving to the second part of my life, the class 11th and 12th. So I chose to do non-attending school, and I went to Rashi for my JEE preparation. And these 2 years were very good teaching and a different experience, because when you are in hostel, you are away from your parents, you have to manage all the things by yourself. You will get that little sum of amount every month, and you will have to arrange everything in that 500 rupees. So this was it. So actually, I think that I will make another video for explaining my class 11 and 12th and my J coaching. So this was all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.